Good day, my name is Stephanie Paris from BS Ed Block 1, and today I'm going to discuss the concepts of cell theory. So by the end of the discussion, we will be able to describe the cells, to know the function of the microscope, to know and understand the three tenets of the cell theory, and the scientists who helped to develop it, and lastly, to understand the two different cell divisions. So let me define what is cell. A cell is the basic unit of any organism or living thing. This means that it is able to carry out life processes. So who is the person who discovered the cell? The cell was first discovered and named by Robert Hooke in 1665. He remarked that it looked strangely similar to cellula or small rooms which monks inhabited, thus deriving the name. We cannot able see many substances here in our world because they are too small to see in our own eyes until the microscope existed. A microscope is an instrument that can be used to observe small objects, even cells. So there's a lot of scientists who use it now, often, and thanks to Anton van Leeuwenhoek because he's the one who discovered the microscope in 1590. So let's proceed to the three concepts of cell theory. Two people were given credit for developing the cell theory, and they are Matthias Jacob Schleiden and Theodor Schwann. Matthias Schleiden was a German botanist, and Theodor Schwann is a German physician. So, this is the three concepts of cell theory. First, all living things are made of cells. Second, cells are the basic unit of structure and organization that performs life functions. And third, all cells come from pre-existing cells. So number 1, all living things are made of cells. Cells are the basic structures of all living organisms. Cells provide structure for the body, take in nutrients from food, and carry out important functions. So Matthias Schleiden says that all planets are composed cells, and Theodor Schwann studied the details in animal histology. He says that all animals are made out of cells. These two scientists pointed out the key differences between plant and animal cells. With their combined knowledge and research, they concluded that all living things are made out of cells. So even it is a small or big organism, they have something in common. Example, the bacteria and elephant, and that is they have both cells. So number 2, cells are the basic unit of structure and organization that performs life functions. This means that cells form the parts of an organism and carry out all of the organism processes or functions. The organism is you, me, and us, and all living things are made of cells. Remember that. And furthermore, cells, the metabolic processes occur that keep the organism alive. This is why the cells are called basic unit of life, because all living things has a proper functions of cells. So the third one is all cells come from pre-existing cells. Rudolf Virchow studied how disease affects living organisms. Furthermore, he noticed that these cells were dividing, producing two new cells. And this is called cell division. So what is cell division? There are two types of cell division, mitosis and meiosis. Most of the time when people refer to cell division, they mean mitosis is a process where a single cell division into two identical daughter cells. And meiosis is a type of cell division that reduces the number of chromosomes in the parent cell by half and produces 4 gamete cells. So remember that In mitosis, cell divides into two, while in meiosis, it produces four gamete cells. So that's all. Keep safe and God bless.